cleaning quarry tiles in Hounslow. Are your quarry tiles impossible to keep clean? Quarry tiles are incredibly durable, but they absorb dirt like a sponge. Endless mopping and hand scrubbing won't get them looking truly clean, and harsh chemicals can cause more harm than good. Our deep cleaning process uses specialist scrubbing machines and scrubbing pads to lift out years of built-up grime. We also have specialist treatments to remove years of sealer residues. Once we get your floors beautifully clean, we can repair holes, cracks, and lost grout. Then we apply a protective seal to help keep them cleaner for longer. If you're tired of fighting with your quarry tiles, let's take care of them for you. Call us today at 01372 664 337 or visit our website tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. Let Fabritech bring the life back to your floors.